Ministry of Health administered 9,946 COVID-19 vaccines on Wednesday, the highest number administered in a given day. Minister of Health Dr. Frank Anthony is encouraging persons to come forward and get vaccinated. The vaccines currently available in Ghana, of course, are the Pfizer vaccines for children, the AstraZeneca second dose vaccine, the Sputnik V first and second doses, Sinopharm, and the J&J vaccine. Minister Anthony also announced that through the COVAX mechanism, the country is expecting 100,000 doses of Pfizer vaccines. He said these vaccines should arrive in the country by the 4th of October. These and other stories coming up on today's COVID-19 update.
We are expected to get a number of vaccines, 100,000 doses of vaccines through COVAX on the 4th of October. And it's the first time we'll be receiving Pfizer vaccines from COVAX. Before we got AstraZeneca, so it's the first time that we're getting 100,000 doses of Pfizer vaccine from COVAX.
On Wednesday's vaccination campaign, Minister Anthony says staff have been able to administer 9,946 vaccines, the highest in a given day since the campaign began months ago.
Well, I think we had a very good day yesterday. In terms of first dose that we administered, we did 1,029 first doses for adults and another 530 first dose of the Pfizer vaccine for children. For second dose, we did 6,655. And so in terms of the administration of second dose for adults, that was 6,655. And in terms of children, it was 1,732. So yesterday we set another record in terms of vaccination, where in one day we were able to do 9,946 doses in that given day.
Minister Anthony also expressed his gratitude to both staff and members of the public for their efforts on Wednesday.
So I want to again commend the staff for being out there and working hard yesterday, and I want to commend the public because although people had to wait, they did so in an orderly way, and that facilitated everybody getting their vaccine. So I want to thank everybody for the efforts that they put in, and we hope that similar turnout would happen again today and for the rest of the week. So right now we have 358,237 persons who would have received first dose vaccine. These are adults. So that's 69.8% of our adult population would now have received the first dose vaccine. And we have 192,672 persons who would have received a second dose vaccine. So we now move up to 37.6% of our adult population receiving both doses of the vaccine. And overall, we have given 24,194 doses of the Pfizer vaccine to children. That takes us up to 33.2% of that age cohort.
Today's Mythbuster. I have allergies, so I can't get the COVID-19 vaccine.
Allergies are of different types. Most people might have food allergies and things like that. The only allergy that would prevent you from taking a COVID vaccine is if you're allergic to one of the components within the vaccine. So vaccines are made of different things, and if you have an allergy to one of the ingredients, then it would be advisable for you not to get that vaccine. Most people don't have those types of allergies because they're extremely rare. So when you go to the vaccination center, you should explain to the person what type of allergy you have, and that would help them to make a determination. So You just don't have to use this broad term, I have allergies. That doesn't necessarily mean that you can't get the vaccine. Only if you are allergic to things that the vaccines are made of, then that would be a contraindication.
Well, that's it for today's COVID-19 update. Of course, we just spoke with the Honorable Minister of Health, Dr. Frank Anthony. Remember, for more information, you can log on to our website, dpi.gov.gy, and the Ministry of Health's website as well, health.gov.gy, and of course our social media platforms.